हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एब्जेंटिव मेंटरिंग स्टूडियो। अब मैथ्स आपको नहीं रुलाएगा क्योंकि आपके पास आ गया है आयुष शर्मा। तो जल्दी से कर दो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक,
On
कमेंट और
solving
शेयर।
quadratic equation, and in this video we'll be discussing the third type of method by which we can solve any quadratic equation. And I think this is one of the easiest and one of the lenient way of solving quadratic equation. So the method which we are going to discuss is Sridharacharya method. So Sridharacharya was a scientist, was a mathematician who discovered this method of solving any quadratic equation. So on in the name of his honor, it was named as Siddharacharya method. So let us start how we can solve. So first we know the quadratic equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant value. So first we will be seeing how can we derive this Sridharacharya formula, but this is not necessary and this is not important for examination point of view. But since it is a video and I want to make you understand, so let us see. We know here that a, b, and c all are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0, which is the must condition for any quadratic equation, because when a will be 0, entire equation will become a linear equation. When a will be 0, it will become 0 and the entire equation will turn out to be a linear equation. So let's start. So first we need to write it in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And we'll be solving this, we'll be proving this by using completing square method. So for completing square method, we must put this c this side. Okay, this is a proof which is not at all necessary for examination point of view. And what we need to do, ax square, since we need to take x square alone, we'll be dividing this whole entire equation with a. So ax square by a, it will be x square, bx by a, bx by a, and minus c by a. Then we'll be seeing that it is a number, x square can be written as x whole square, and bx by a can be written as b by a into x equal to minus c by a. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll just add b by 2a whole square to that side, because we see b by a into x. So can we see that if we want to represent into in the form 2 into b by a into x, this both are necessary. So what should be the value of this such that the entire value become b by ax? So it must be b by 2a, where 2 will get cancelled by 2. So the third value, or the c, must be b by 2a. We have seen here that we have written bx by a, b by a into x, means here was something missing, that was 2 into b by 2a. So what we'll do, we'll just, as we have done in completing square, we have just added and subtracted with the same value. So here we had x square plus b by a into x. What we'll do, just we'll add b by 2a ka whole square equals to minus c by a plus b by 2a का whole square. So this whole will turn out to be in the form of x plus b by 2a whole square, and this will become minus c plus by a plus b square by 4a square. We'll square this. Then when we'll take LCM, it will be x plus b by 2a whole square equals to just we'll do like 4a will be common, so it will be minus 4ac plus b square. So we can see x plus b by 2a ka whole square equals to b square minus 4ac by 4a. Sorry, 4a square, here it was 4a square. Then what we'll do, we'll be just taking out the roots. How we took out the roots? Just we sent the root or the exponent that side. That will be like it will be x plus b by 2a equals to whole root b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So x plus b by 2a equals to root b square minus 4ac by 2a, because 4a square will come out, that will be 2a. So x will be equal to minus b by 2a, sorry, that's my fault, minus b by 2a plus minus, here we know plus minus, first we'll take plus minus, it will be b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so here what we'll get, like we can get minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, where 2a are same, so 2a. This will be the solution for any quadratic equation, and we have taken this as d. So the formula that we get of discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. And how we can derive the roots? Roots will be equals to minus b plus minus root d. Root d means this, by 2a, as we have proven. Now we'll be solving one question, that is 9x square plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. Here we have, how we'll take out the roots? We know roots equals to minus b, which is 7, so minus 7 plus minus, what is b square? 49, minus 4ac, minus 4 into minus 2, that is 8 9 is 72, plus 72 by, that will be 2a, means 2 into 9, 18. So it will be minus 7 plus minus root 49 plus 72 will be 121, that will be by 18. So we'll get like minus 7 plus minus 11 by 18. When it will be plus, we'll get minus 7 plus 11, that is 4 by 18. And another value will get minus 7 minus 11, minus 18 by minus 18. That will be minus 18 by 18. It will be, it will be cancel out, and it will be minus 1, and it will become 2 by 9. So we have got the value 2 by 9 and minus 1 as the roots of the equation by solving the problem. So let us revise once. First we have discussed solving quadratic equation by Sridharacharya method. Then we moved on that how is the quadratic equation represented in standard form. It is represented as ax squared plus bx plus c, where a and b, c are real number and a is not equals to 0. Okay, then we discussed how we can prove the formula, that is Sridharacharya formula. So we have written this in standard form. We took minus c that side, then we just we divided the whole equation by a in order to make x square alone, means coefficient less, yeah, with coefficient 1. Then what we did the completing square method as discussed in the previous class. We took x whole square plus b by a into x into 2 into b by 2a equals to minus c by a. Then what we did, we saw that b by a x can also be written as 2 into b by 2a into x, where 2 get cancelled out and b by a x come out. Okay, then we discuss the completing square, how we added and subtracted b by 2a ka whole square. So we got x plus b by 2a ka whole square, and this, then we took the LCM as 4a square and just got this value minus 4ac plus b square, and then we just put just removing this, we have got a root here, and that is plus minus root 4 b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Then we did we got the roots by minus by 2 minus b by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a are same LCM, so the LCM is same, and we have got the formula for the roots, and the formula that we got is minus b plus minus root d by 2, where d is discriminant. Okay, and then we did one question, and thank you for watching the video.